Welcome to Black Suede Headliner Project 1. It is 2022, this is the first project. Also, might be my first video this year, I really don't know. I haven't recorded that much lately. Thank you for still being around. Thank you for watching this video. And we're just gonna get into it because I don't have a lot to say. It's 9:30 in the morning, it's before work. I have about an hour or less. I have less than an hour, really, until I should be leaving. But anyways, you know, I haven't recorded a lot. I haven't been doing a lot to my car. It's been sitting. I've been working a lot, trying to start a new career. As you guys know, if you saw my other videos where I said I was getting into mortgages, and it's a real freaking nightmare, kinda. It's a hard job, at least my first month. You know, so anyways, enough of the depressing stuff. There's Big Red. Here's Black Suede Headliner. Time to remove the factory one, and hopefully it doesn't take me that long, because I gotta go. Thanks for watching. Here we go. All right. So that took me all of 20 minutes, or less. This is why I want to redo the headliner. And that took all of 20 minutes to get it out. You know, this thing's pretty old looking. Definitely needs some refresh. Now, getting this stuff off. That's gonna be the fun part. Ooh. It's gonna make a mess. It's gonna make a big mess. It's gonna be messy, I think. I'm just gonna start pulling it off. So, not too sure how well this is going, guys. Really don't know. I really don't know. But I'm trying, you know. Watched a couple YouTube videos on how to do it. But, you know, no YouTube videos are doing a T-top headliner like I am. So putting the new material, you hear the cat? Putting the new material on is going to be a little more challenging than other headliners. The foam padding. I am recording.
I was wondering who you were talking to.
Who do you think I'm talking to?
I don't know.
Who do you think?
I thought you were on the phone.
I guess I could have been on the phone. Anyways, but look, like, I don't even know if it can see you. It's pointed slightly down. Oh,
Who's joining?
yeah, I'm worried about him clawing up the material.
Don't worry, I got my cat and the starbs. I'm out.
Okay. That's what I'm talking about, popsicle sticks right here, I think, to brace that. Still got more to rip off, a little bit. Alright, we got it pretty much naked, all the foam off of it, and when doing this, I recommend wearing gloves. It is itchy. Crack in the headliner. It's like broken. So it bends. The foam broke, or whatever this is made out of, it's broken. All right, so we've got the headliner on. We've got the black suede on here. We're gonna do a little cleaning, and this was not easy. This is not easy at all. It's not perfect. It's very difficult, but I still like it a lot. Anna did about 90% of the work. 95%.
Yep.
She's good with this fabric stuff, with like making it work. Ada just messed it all up. So now we're gonna do the cleaning. You probably can't tell. Well, now you can, right? See the lint.
Oh, I need you to run the lint roller for me.
All right, if you're still watching, I appreciate it. This is the finished product. It's hard to tell in the car, but I really like it over, the factory headliner. Like I said, it's kind of hard to see, especially with this light. But anyways, feels great, looks great. Now I just need some black suede sun visors to finish the look. But yeah, looks great. I like it a lot. I think I'm gonna put some magnets up in here because see how I don't know if you can tell, but it moves a little bit. So it's like just not, see that? I think I might glue some magnets up on the inside of the headliner and on the roof so it's secured. But I wish I had a flashlight out here to really show you the finished product. But looks good to me. So hope you enjoyed the video. I'll just see you in the next one, but I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that I made a good video for you to watch. I hope this was something of value, and I will see you next time. Side note, also, thank you to Anna for pretty much doing most of the work, and that's basically Anna's headliner in my car, essentially. And then she also wrapped the roof of the car. So she's done a lot of roof work on my car, basically. So she's been a great help. She's contributed a lot, making my car better. Oh my God, I can't believe I just did that. Thanks, Anna. Bye.